Welcome, guys. Welcome. I know it's been way too long. It's the rain. It's not us. It's the rain. We've been experiencing technical difficulties because of the rain. It's not our fault. It's been raining cats and dogs and yay.
Everything.
It's been bad.
Yo, tell God, yeah, we've had enough. Bro.
We apologize.
Yeah.
We apologize.
He's cleaning the car.
It's cleansing our sins. Yeah, it's been weeks.
Yeah.
We have an issue here of Hugo Bruce. He's now fighting with UTLP. What's the problem? Because I saw he what to keep his statement, very whole statement.
Yeah, he was boiling.
When's the UTLP? Because I didn't see it.
He arrived late
That's it.
to the training center.
That's it.
Yeah, he
That's
arrived
it.
late to the camp. He missed a flight from Durban.
But is that UTLP's fault to talk to Mr. Flies?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he
No, I
is.
mean, okay. Akayenzanga amabomba. It's not like
MLS more.
What if I got up shy? I'm not saying got up shy, but what if you got up shy?
no, but
That's not professional.
Because-
You can't miss a flight.
it's not like he missed a flight air go up corn.
Still.
But it's not
Still.
professional.
No, I'm not saying it should do it, but guys, these things happen. Ubuli.
I ngeke.
It's not that he missed the training session. Like,
Yeah.
he was late because
Yeah.
he missed the flight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And obviously, when you get to the
Okay.
dressing room, you apologize. Okay, no, sorry, I was late. Fine, whatever. You continue with life. His statement is on.
No.
His statement is on.
Second delay whatever the
preparation.
plan, like the preparation plans of Coach now.
Yes, I
And
understand.
now, what does it say? He's star. You think it's star?
No, but I just think Hugo Bruce is overreacting.
No.
No.
Do you know what things happening? Hugo Bruce, remember, he was the one vouching for Umbogas.
Yeah.
He was the one
Exactly.
pushing.
So he's heartbroken by
Mm.
Mbagazi's behavior.
What behavior? It's not like Mbogazi has been showing a strings of bad behavior. It's just late, not even a missed training session. They got late.
Yeah, Bagali.
They got late.
Yeah.
But he must probably apologize.
But everyone else came on time. Remember, this is the preparations for AFCON.
yes,
AFCON, we're going to AFCON. We have to prepare. You can't be late for AFCON.
Okay, it was the first day.
Yeah.
Not even he missed the flight whereby maybe because I think they have to fly to Morocco, right?
Yeah.
It's not like he missed the flight whereby they had to go to Morocco.
Yeah.
But
He missed a flight for a preparation. If he didn't even miss, like he was late for a preparation against Egypt. Or not Egypt. What are we playing?
Angola.
Angola. We have a friendly match. in 16.
Yes. Yeah.
What are we
Yeah.
playing? Because I think I saw
Oh.
Senegal and Egypt or something.
Yeah.
We have a friendly match in 16.
Yeah.
We have a friendly match in
It's
16.
Ghana, if I'm not mistaken.
Ghana.
Yeah,
We have a friendly match
yeah,
against
yeah.
Ghana in 16. So it's not like Umbogazi missed the flight Levi AFCON, like the team gathering.
Yeah.
So my question is statement is here. Why the media explosive statement? Is he trying to show dominance? Is he trying to show power or lean?
He's the father of the nation. He addresses everything in front of the media.
But
That is what he does.
we are going to AFCON.
Yeah.
Why are you putting Umbogazi under that spotlight AFCON?
No, I think Mbogasi broke his heart by obviously arriving late.
Mhm.
And also, I think he hasn't been happy with Mbogasi's recent decisions. So I think this,
Yeah.
it hit a point.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, we all know Mbogasi is going to MLS. And
He's
obviously,
He's gone.
Yeah, he's gone.
She's
He's gone. Yeah.
an agent.
But he was right. Yeah.
Obviously. So what Hugo Bruce, like, I think he's disappointed by the whole move, right? And also, remember when someone disappoints you with the whole thing,
Mhm.
like with a big thing,
Yes.
even that smallest thing irritates you. So that thing irritated him, and also it's not professional.
Mm-hmm.
It's not professional arriving late. Like, we should respect time. I think what Hugo Bruce was saying, because I was hearing he was saying South African players.
Mm-hmm.
I think he has seen a culture where in South Africa we don't respect time as much. Like, We know.
African
we,
time.
Ah,
African
we know,
time.
we
African
know.
time.
Sasloniphi.
we know. I'm
Masahloniphi.
5 minutes away.
Yeah. That's why me abu.
No.
No, we all know that. Come on.
Ah,
come
I know it's
on.
true. It's
Ah,
true.
God.
It's
So
true.
now, I think he was disappointed by that. Mbogazi arriving late
yeah,
to a
yeah.
training center.
He's still young.
He's still young, but he's not young. He's still
Ah,
young.
he's
I get
young,
you. He's
but-
still young, but the position that he's in right now doesn't make him to behave young. Like
Ulahleke
he's-
airport. I know that happens. Right?
So
You can. It can happen to anyone.
So, Hugo Bruce obviously, well, he's heartbroken by Mbogazi's
But-
decision, and also arriving late to a training center, and yeah,
But
he,
I just feel like there's more to it. I feel like Hugo Bruce, there's something Leon Boaz wins up behind the scenes that we don't know of. There's something that has changed in the guy that Tina we don't know.
so you think Hugo Bruce knows of it?
no,
He knows that.
there's something that Hugo Bruce sees behind the scenes. Because
Yeah.
to us, what we know is he was late because he went to Chicago and he got delayed, or he was late and then because Perez refused to release him on time or something like that.
Yeah.
But then you might find that even though Mbogazi got late, the attitude yakhe makafika, it was different. We don't know that.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking for Hugo Bruce to come out and blast Mbogazi kanjalo,
Yeah.
siyakufkhona. There's no way.
Uti is behaving like a star.
Yes, just
He
ngokuba
is a
late.
star, Bafana.
Ngokuba late.
He
You are
is
behaving
a
like a
star.
star.
Yeah, but stars do behave like that.
It's the stars. They are late.
Yeah.
But when they are late, what is the attitude after they are late?
Isinamuva liyabuka. Bebungena washaye i-celebration
Hence-
kaMpili ngamothi, ah,
Hence, I'm
yabona.
saying there is something that is happening behind the scenes.
Yeah.
There's a change in Mbogazi behind the scenes that we don't know of, that we don't see, that made Hugo Bruce come out and say that statement.
Yeah.
Because there's no way Joe umuntu afike ashisa umuntu kanje ngokuba late. Ngokuba late.
But
Day one.
do you like it
only
happens.
that-
Setting a
Remember,
statement.
remember, yeah,
Setting a statement
Aye.
for everyone.
exactly.
Angad.
Setting a standard.
Yeah.
Uti, everyone
Angad.
should arrive.
Drop
on-
him for a first game. That's a statement. Why? Why?
Hey,
are you going- why?
hey.
No, point is, why are you going public with it? My issue here is why is the public thing? Why the public statement? Why would you think about it now?
But
What's going to
right?
happen between Mbogazi and Hugo Bruce?
No,
Going forward?
they're gonna have a talk and they're gonna circulate. Uti,
Why
if
did
this
you do that?
happens,
Why the statement to the public?
The statement to the public is just put him in line. Put him
You-
Mbogazi
no,
in
you
line.
can do
to-
that
even
no,
the
and-
others,
and
even the
also,
others,
and
like,
also
set the
to
statement
humble
for
him, to
others.
be like, bro, you're not a star. You haven't achieved that much to be acting like this.
Mhm.
You haven't achieved that much to be behaving like a star.
But Tabang again, Ogba late is not acting like a star. But reactor in a certain way after being late.
No.
And your reasoning of why you are late is what constitutes
Remember,
of behaving like a
he
star.
he said that Paris gave him a shit excuse as
Exactly.
to why he's late. He literally said Pirates gave me a shit excuse.
That's what I'm
And
saying.
He was like, I won't even say this.
Ngithe ngikhuluma ngathi no, there's something, there's a reaction from Mbogazi that made Hugo Bruce akwa. It's not ukuba late. Okay,
But
beka
remember-
late.
Okay, remember.
Yeah.
Let's put it like this.
Mhm.
Actually, let's play like this. Okay, Pirates just won a cup, right?
Yes.
They're in Devon, partying. Obviously, they're celebrating.
Where's the
Yeah.
camp?
The camp, I think it's in Bloom. If
Okay,
I'm
yeah,
not
yeah,
mistaken.
continue,
Yeah,
continue.
I'm not sure.
Mhm.
You can correct me on that, guys. In Durban, obviously they're partying. It's right. It's nice. And Mbogazi, obviously, you know when you know.
Yes.
Then he misses
His flight.
his flag
Mhm.
because maybe he's drunk
No.
and like obviously he's papalas and whatnot.
Mhm.
So how does that come to the coach? Obviously, to the coach, it's like this guy's unprofessional.
Mhm.
This is like missing in work or coming in to work late because last night you had a hectic night where you. That's
Yeah.
unprofessional. And obviously, if the boss or if your manager in this case
Mhm.
knows as to why you were late and knows that probably this happened and
Mhm.
whatnot, obviously he'll crucify you for that. He will obviously crucify you. Let's say that's what happened. I'm not saying that's what happened. I'm not saying that. Don't
Yeah,
get me
yeah,
wrong.
yeah, yeah.
I'm not saying that's what happened. But let's say that's what happened, and Mbogazi was having the night of his life,
Mhm.
and he came to the practice late because of that.
Yeah.
I think it's justifiable for what Hugo Bruce did.
Hmm.
And plus, don't forget, almost 80% of the squad.
Yeah.
Players
The parents.
Yeah.
So when they were there on
that
time.
means they were there on time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Train, they were there.
but which means
I
they're
was
drinking
listening, they
together.
were there.
With
Yeah, they were
Umbule.
drinking together before.
Umbule nje, we know he was the leader
Yeah.
for the We know he was the leader.
Yeah,
We had
but-
to stuff but
Why?
ukufika.
Yeah.
Hence, I'm saying, I say to you guys, the issue here is not being late. Is the attitude. I'm guessing.
Yeah.
The issue here with Hugo Bruce was not the fact that Mbogazi was late.
Yeah.
Was the attitude and the reasoning behind being late.
Yeah.
That is what caused Hugo Bruce to react with that statement. Usually when someone is late, it's news. Mbogazi was late, got dropped, won't be available, what. It passes by.
Yeah, I get that. But yeah, I get your reasoning because
Statement.
if like Mbogazi gets to the camp late because probably he had like family
Yeah,
emergency, he had
yeah.
to take, that is reasonable in a
Yeah.
way. But yeah.
But
But I think with the media part and everything,
Mhm.
even the journalists, maybe they saw, because with the national team, they actually show up, they go
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
yeah.
shoot like whatever they are doing.
Yeah.
So they are seeing Muti, man.
Should be
What happened? So that's what happened to Guti. Was to figure to a point to it now.
But,
coach
yeah,
let us
actually,
justify. Yeah.
Amuzile, vele.
Yeah.
They asked him how much in Andistuguti,
Mhm.
then he was like, I didn't want to talk about it.
Mhm.
But since you've asked me about this, then I'll talk about it. That's when he just went full blast on Mbogazi.
makes sense. At least, yeah, but I just think this is like bad for us. Like, relax.
No,
Fine.
it's not bad.
It's
It's not bad.
Yeah,
It's
but
not
what about
bad.
the music?
It's
No.
not bad. This is just putting a kid on a line.
Exactly. Remember, tell people to Mtwan.
Yeah,
It's still a
exactly.
kid.
And he needs this to put him
But
right
then
on line,
what if-
right on track. Because what
Yeah.
this does is you remind him, Oguti, hey bro, you are here because you've been doing this, you've been doing this, you've been doing this, you've been doing this. If now you don't do this anymore,
Mhm.
you'll be out, bro.
Mhm.
I won't take you to the World Cup.
Mhm.
I won't take you to the World Cup. And
Sure.
obviously
Mhm.
that will put Mbogazi in a line to be like, oh shit, I need to go to the World Cup. And remember, Mbogazi is going to the USA. And obviously when he's at the USA, people will be talking about the World Cup. World
Yeah,
Cup,
yeah,
World Cup.
yeah.
Mbogazi wants to be there. So this is putting him
I just
in
feel
a
like
line.
I understand. No, guys, things. I'm not defending Mbogazi, right?
Yeah.
What I have an issue here is the reaction of Hugo Bruce. I feel like it was too much. Whereas going into an AFCON, it's like you are bringing certain
Yeah,
negativity to the team. You understand what I mean?
But
No.
Because look at it this way. Do you think if for example, in Atuban, our police was late, do you think it was gonna like if you understand statement? No,
Yeah.
it was gonna be an issue of
And it was gonna be worse because our police is old.
no, it was gonna be a private matter.
No.
You understand? Because
No.
what I'm saying, if you can listen to Hugo Bruce, it's personal.
yeah.
You can say it's unprofessional comments. You understand? It's not comments you would say as a coach to your. You can't tell your player that you're not a star.
Yeah.
You can.
You are not a star.
No, those are the things that you say at dressing room, halftime, mostly. Sir. You understand what I mean?
No.
Those are things you say in a personal space with the team. You understand? Because in a personal space with the team, dressing room, you can say whatever. Because they say whatever. We don't know what they say, but
Yeah.
from the way we play this, we know.
Yeah.
You understand? Like number limits, you can.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the media, you must have certain restraints. He could have went on about the statement in a different manner. You can say it was emotional at the time.
No, you can't say.
It was emotional.
Check this.
It was emotional.
With a club, when the way in corner, it's as if it's a club. With the club, it's understandable
Mhm.
because there's a division. You
Yes.
support this team, you support this team.
Yeah.
But now we're talking about a nation.
Yes.
As a nation,
Mm-hmm.
nonga phikwanga will see ukuthi ucoach uspana kanjani.
Mm-hmm.
Nabaphikiwe, they will see how the coach works. So
Yeah.
ungafika ube weak
Yeah.
ukuthi no
Yeah,
sizomcharge ifayini it's not gonna work. That
Yeah.
means if it's
Yeah.
fine 40,000, the next day, if omunye umuntu efuna ukuba late, uyafaka 40,000 aside. Then I'll be late. You understand?
Yeah.
So manje I should show you ukuthi
Yeah.
angibhenywa mina ngiyona insawo.
I-
Straight ngibheke ngiyenzele kube simple.
No, guys.
So, do
And-
you think
and
Mbogazi is a star?
Bani.
Mbogazi.
No, not really.
Exactly.
Not really.
So if you are saying he's not a star,
I know he is a rising star, right?
Yeah.
He's good. He's currently our number one center back, basically.
Yeah.
Our number one center back. We don't know the other pairing. So, for Hugo Bruce to attack him like that publicly.
he didn't attack him.
No, I
He
mean,
addressed the matter
yes, but
like a father.
he could have addressed it in a certain way.
No.
It's like, Spuda, look at it this way.
Wait, this
It-
guy has been against Hugo Bruce his whole life.
No.
I'm actually surprised right now.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm actually surprised.
You know why it's a surprise? Because of Shishumbogas. That's why.
No.
I'm actually
Yeah.
surprised that this
I
guy.
saw a father figure in that.
No,
man.
man, No,
Watching that.
look at it this way. It's like you get to a place in you know, okay, your child messed up.
Sure.
When you get there, you can't beat your child in front of the people.
No.
You get there, you know, you accept that your child committed like something wrong, right? You take your child away. When you get home, swap. You understand?
Bekutshelile
Effectively, kanjani?
ukuthi ingane yakhe iflophile whatever.
Yes.
But mawuyibhekile. You
Ah,
have
yeah,
the
yeah,
right
yeah,
to
yeah,
stand
yeah.
up and go
Ah,
and
yeah,
kick
Landa.
the
Ah,
head
yeah,
out of
public
my
so.
child.
But not publicly so, gents.
Go and kick the head.
Not publicly so.
My friend, I want a public.
Personally-
This is a family matter.
Yeah.
Thina singayingeni is ama-national, ama-club coaches. Coach Pirates was supposed to keep his mouth shut.
Personally,
And umlandile.
yeah, I saw it. I was like, oh, he spoke to Wadu as well.
Yeah. And he said the Pirates coach told him it's unprofessional behavior.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, I guess. I just feel like,
And-
I just feel like this is
One
about
thing-
Chicago, the Chicago.
Yeah. Actually, talking about Chicago move.
Yeah.
I saw something and I'm like, actually, that could have worked in Mbogazi's favor.
Yeah.
Mbogazi is going to the World Cup.
Mhm.
Remember, next year it'll be like 20.
Yeah.
World Cup. Let's say he performs there.
I think he's 20 this year.
Yeah.
Was
yeah.
19 last year.
Oh yeah. Then he performs well at the World Cup, obviously. Then obviously still young.
Mm-hmm.
I think Hugo Bruce wanted him to stay in SA
Until then.
until the World Cup.
Yeah.
And after the World Cup, that's when Mbogazi was gonna get that big move. I think he's frustrated also in the fact that he was not patient enough. The agent was not patient enough in just waiting until the World Cup because the World Cup was gonna give him exposure to the world.
Okay, you might say,
Was it? Yeah,
but,
it
but,
was.
think about it. That thing, my friend, is a luck. And with luck, okay, let me not say luck, but a successful door opens once.
Yeah.
What if that was the first step to his
Yeah. And
success?
also, you know,
And
bro,
then you delay
know,
him. You say, no, the move is not good.
you know, with
and then
life,
Chigi is
with
correct.
life, not even his career. Let's say the World Cup is approaching, then he gets an injury. then he doesn't get-
Yeah.
Like,
You see? So now you should go back to that thing you
should-
got a big move.
Yeah.
No,
And
but-
you said,
no,
Real
but-
Madrid is gonna come. We don't even know.
But for me, I think no.
It's same like
It's not justifiable.
But-
Begumfukeng.
Let's look at let's look at
Yeah.
let's look at but this one at Umbogazi, right?
Yeah.
Umbogazi, I saw the agent they got offers from other European clubs,
Yeah.
but the European clubs were not willing to pay
Yeah, that much money.
That much money.
for an African
Yeah.
for an
player.
African player, right?
Yeah.
I think there's also like a perspective. There is no way those teams said that.
No, but
It's
listen,
the way the agent chose to see
it-
the negotiation.
with the fee,
Yeah.
my friend.
Yeah.
It goes to the club as well.
Yeah.
It's not the agent's final decision.
Yes.
So what if it was Pirates saying
Yeah.
a small man? So now
But-
the agent gets into a tight spot.
Yeah.
The point is the offers were coming in for Umbogazi.
Yeah.
Before AFCON, before World Cup.
Yeah.
The offers are coming in.
Yeah.
Why not wait?
But
There's no reason to justify it.
Yeah, remember Umkwena that other AFCON.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They said he got recognition, but no final offer came.
But no, there's one thing you guys don't understand.
Yeah.
The age. The age around the was.
They
I'm-
said
when I was
clubs
still
will-
young.
he
No,
was still young.
And understand.
He was still
young.
No, he was. I think he was 24.
Yeah.
But for a 19-year-old, 20-year-old centre back, if he can perform like that,
Yeah.
a 20-year-old in modern football, you tell me what offers can I feel from Belgium, the
My friend.
Premier League
Ukhona
at that age?
omunye bebathi Barcelona ngathi
No,
as we speak
Nah.
that was Twitter. No,
card.
that was Twitter, my
that
friend.
was Twitter,
Yeah,
Facebook.
That was Twitter,
So-
Facebook news.
Exactly. What
But
if
it was not
such
tangible.
things happens to
No,
Umbogazi?
the difference between Umfokeng and Umbogazi, one. Umfokeng, the time he was performing, he was performing only what you call netbank.
Yeah.
Netbank. Masing iba performing netbank. MTN. Uliki door. Half door.
No, but we perform.
No, not the way that's gonna get you overseas.
Ebulala Williams.
Again,
He was performing.
netbank. Point is, those are not. No, point is, those are not the performances that are gonna get you overseas.
Yeah.
But Umbogazi, the way avanga khona,
Yeah, I could have. Yeah.
the way they avanga khona,
But
Yeah.
you could tell route yake was gonna get him the big money move.
But-
I tend to
but
disagree.
still, but
Big
still,
money.
but
I
still,
tend to disagree.
but still, even
Chicago,
I
if
tend to
no,
like
but I'm saying
yeah.
even if he gets to the World Cup in AFCON and performs, he can still get that move.
no, he can't.
He
Because-
can.
No, number one, Chicago was a team. Chicago Fire.
Yeah.
It's gonna overprice him. That's number one.
Okay.
That's number one. It's
Yeah.
not gonna happen. Number two, they don't wanna let him go because it's gonna bring like more recognition to MLS because over South African fans are gonna watch MLS because of Umbogazi and all of those things. You know those things.
Yeah.
Because if you played FIFA before, there's a thing career.
Yeah.
They say sign a player from where to paying my fans.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
like
yeah.
that. Three, even after the World Cup, he's gonna go to a lower league, which is gonna is value yake because
But
the league that is playing in,
realistically speaking,
Listen to this.
yeah,
The fact that he's playing in a country where they are hosting the World Cup,
yes,
recognition is now.
yeah,
yeah.
So it's a matter of him maintaining that same thing.
price, my friend.
It's
Nah,
not, don't forget, our MLS teams, they don't overcharge.
They do.
But
They
who?
don't overprice that much. bro.
To the European clubs, they don't.
No, but there's never a talent that was bought from MLS.
There is.
From MLS,
Yeah.
who?
Yeah.
Intona ka David Beckham.
Yeah, but let me,
What does he play
Nah,
for?
I think idlalela Coventry.
Yes.
Like
nah, man, the spin, man.
No.
Let me see. The hairs.
MLS.
Owapha Aston Villa for this guy.
MLS is a league that brings in people.
No, man.
Not-
It's also
not
sad,
out.
Not
man.
anymore.
It's not a selling
Not
league.
anymore.
Nah,
It's not a selling
they also
league.
said.
Nah,
they
it's
also
not a
said.
selling league.
I'm just
No.
They
thinking.
also said.
Especially if
Is it Thiago Almada? Atletico.
What's this Newcastle guy? Almiron.
Mara bekasuka far.
Bekasuke MLS wabuya
Before MLS bekasuka far.
wasuka
Because
MLS
remember-
wabuya England then wabuyela back MLS. That's his move. Wasuke MLS wabuya England.
We need
Wadlalela Newcastle
Yeah.
then he went back.
we need a fact check on that. But
That's what he did.
they're not a selling league MLS.
They are.
Like-
It's just that you guys have
Nobody-
turned it
no.
into a retirement league.
No, nobody,
It's not a
no,
retirement league.
nobody rates that league. For example,
Hey!
nobody rates
Hey!
Peguhlong one. Okay, Peguhlong one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dead man.
He's not even doing anything.
No, but he
Even
scores.
when
If you can check his scores.
He scores once in a millennium. Even now,
No,
he
but it-
scores once
And
in a
if you can notice, Umbogazi is centre back,
Yeah.
and it's hard for a centre back to
it-
shine.
But he's aggressive.
But
That
for,
makes him unique.
for him to shine with MLS,
Yeah.
so that European clubs can go and take him, it's
So you-
rare.
Okay.
You think,
Rare.
you think
Ah.
from now on it's just shy?
It's shy. It's gonna come back to AC,
Aye.
or it's gonna move to another MLS
Hey, you
club.
know who he just reminded me of?
Who?
My Lula.
Yeah. It's the same thing.
But
Hate
same.
him all you want. That boy was never delicious.
Who?
Oh my dude.
But he was.
He was never delicious. Hayi ngeke. Uyabona uMbokazi. yabona kune-tackle le yayifaka
Lookman.
no, not Lookman. U-Reynolds. How Reynolds waflya. Yabona mangayithi ka.
Bafethu.
Why sinesingi nechafly so.
Looking at this one thing that you guys don't see.
Actually recognition.
There's one thing you guys don't see about Umbogazi Bafethu. Angali is nice. Angali is good. But Ngatin, you guys are giving him more credit than he deserves. He's good.
Yeah.
And of course, there's no one better than him. Is our number one in all those things.
Sure.
But if you can look at the games whereby, Umbogazi this, Umbogazi that, he didn't really do much, really. He didn't really do much.
Yeah.
Even the tech that you're talking about, if you basically watch football, you know Umbogazi was going to be that guy because that guy was chasing the ball. Umbogazi, just like Usales. Usales was running for the ball, Umbogazi was running for Usales.
Yeah.
Usales will keep him simple, Umbogazi will chase Usales.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, so thing is but right
And
now,
also-
put Unakovic la, of Umbogazi la, was going disaster. You will see disaster.
It depends.
Disaster. My friend,
Depends.
and Machape, you don't even have to push.
Chiefs, yes. Odlaleli swelele, hayi bam.
My friend, you don't even have to push against this Zambia. Like him, they say 3-0.
Yeah.
On out it is Galfaga la, Shesa la. What you kitchen? We could even reach the ball. Yeah, you should see the now.
No.
My friend, the big stage exposes you. You come Ngamandla, they come with speed.
Yeah.
You come with speed, they come with the ball. You come with maybe what you call zonal marking, they come with like
Yeah, man.
there's many ways to expose a person.
Yeah.
And for now, Umbogazi can credit for his strength, Sakik Pen. Not his ball playing skills, not his heading, not his positioning.
But he's good.
No.
He is.
My friend, when he's saying he whatever he's saying, Umbogazi,
Yeah.
who can you say is better than him?
Ukekan, he is. The only reason why guys are hating on Ukekana is not because of what guy pyramids there.
No,
That's what when you were saying, even Umbogazi.
Kanjan.
Uguti, you are just exploring where he lagged.
So you think
Yeah.
Ukikana is
But-
better than Umbogazi?
He is. He's
Overall.
He's a better center back. What I can say is Ukekana is just going through a rough patch.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean?
Umbogazi is not
and-
allowed to go through a rough patch.
And Umbogazi currently he's rising.
Yeah,
And it's
yeah.
fine.
Exactly.
We're
He's
giving him-
rising,
Yeah.
making mistakes. But already when I saw Funugu,
No.
you are oppressing
I'm not
him.
oppressing. I'm saying the credit that you guys are giving him.
Yeah.
You are forgetting that if football is an open sport, once these mistakes or these things start happening, be exposed.
Yeah.
But he has
More
never
frequently.
been.
Yeah,
No,
more
but he has
frequently.
never been exposed.
No, he has
Why
Ganyan.
are you
signs.
talking about Intenge against Zagat?
If
You're talking about
Back,
Intenge
okay.
against Zagat.
which big stage? Wait, which big stage is Umbogazi playing in?
cool.
Which big stage? Like a big stage. Umbogazi Dlala khona.
No.
No, that's case. Look at the team that they played against.
My friend,
I'll
our
say-
team, our
Big-
against one,
I'll
they
say-
qualified.
I'll
Not
say-
like they
I'll
were-
say-
you
big
buying
stage.
it for free.
Yeah.
Say the biggest stage
Yeah,
that Umbogazi has played in at
Yeah.
the moment is against Lupopo FC, KEF.
Nah,
That's
that
like-
is
That's the big stage.
that's what I'm saying.
My
That's
friend.
the big stage. The big stage.
Bedlala against the Sundowns.
It's still a big stage.
What's
Like that.
the
I'm
big
talking about a
stage?
big game.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
So you are
Care.
saying a big competition,
Actually,
or you are saying a
yeah.
big team.
My friend,
No, a big stage.
the
So
biggest
if I'm
stage.
playing a final, it's not a big stage.
Where also?
Against
do you mean
what?
where?
Against what?
What do you mean
Against,
where?
okay,
where was
okay.
I get that.
But
Black
also-
name. Black name. Where was Chiefs?
They know.
They don't exactly. Where was Sundowns?
But imagine
Answer the question.
Wait,
Answer the
wait.
question.
Let me answer you with the scenario. Imagine, I'm sure they have like one Copa del Rey in 10 years. That doesn't make them
Yeah.
useless. There are some Copas like, I don't know how many Copa del Reys do those guys even have?
So
Yeah.
They don't win majority of the Copa del Rey.
Yeah.
But that doesn't make them useless because they don't win Copa del Rey. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
You get what I mean? Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Let's say
They're useless.
They are okay. Let's say
Yeah.
abanayo
It is
ke Copa
useless.
del Rey. But kule team ewin Copa del Rey.
Yeah.
Between the two, between you and Madrid, which one in the trophy cabinet?
Yeah. It's a big stage,
So,
but
it's a big stage. You cannot say it's
but-
a big stage.
but compare.
But compare
But compare. Yeah. But compare EKF
What do you mean
Let me
compare
claim
EKF?
good,
Okay, what do you
exactly.
mean EKF?
My friend, like, let me count the big stages of Wambogazi. Big stage on the against the Chiefs, Netbank, what shy mistakes are Sakura Sawi.
Yeah.
Big stage, Umbogazi, what I Netbank, Umbogazi,
Yeah,
honestly speaking. Against the Nigeria, we needed to win against Nigeria to a red card. Unnecessarily so.
It was against this.
Oh, Zim.
I didn't play against Nigeria because he got a red
Red card against, yeah,
Yeah.
against the Zim. We got a red
Against
card. We needed that win. Big stage. He was not emotionally intelligent enough to
Yeah,
us
contain
bad.
himself there. Yeah.
That was a big stage.
The game was
AFCON.
tense. You should understand the game was
Yeah.
tense.
But it should be more.
Yeah, exactly.
You should mature.
A 19-year-old.
Good. That's what are you saying?
A 19-year-old.
Buddha.
Okay. Let me ask you this: if Mbogazi, we are playing a World Cup final,
Yeah.
and he does a silly
Same
mistake, same thing, he gets a red card. Are you gonna say a 19-year-old?
Definitely.
Buddha.
But this
Buddha.
guy is saying Ukekana is better. It's just that one mistake. He was a 20-year-old man, 28-year-old.
I said,
30-year.
I know,
Ah,
my man.
no.
I said, Kikana is going through a rough patch right now.
But
but
at their peak,
Hence, Umbogazi young hand.
yeah. But at their peak,
Exactly. So we have to
Yeah.
replace her. So
Yeah.
how is it when I'm replacing you and when you're still better than me? When I'm replacing you.
Yeah, you are still, my man. You are still a better player.
And you
But
replace her.
I'm currently going through a rough patch.
You
Hence, you are
replace
playing
her.
now. Hence, you are
replace
playing now.
her, and you still feel like you're
you're in
better.
better form.
Yeah, in a
I'm
better form.
replacing you, and you
Because
feel
my form is bad.
Because, yeah, form is bad.
That's like I'll use this example when Ferran Torres replaces Lewandowski.
Yeah, he's in a but Ferrer is not a better player than now.
Yeah.
But he's in a better form. Same as Umbogazi. He's not a better.
What?
He's not a better player than Ukekana.
But
But Umbogazi
just
is
no wait.
time.
Let me say
you.
Let me say this.
Yeah.
Let me say
Yeah.
this, Buddha. Let me say this, Buddha. Like I get his reasoning, but I don't go with him. Like Mbogazi is greater than Kekana. But I get what he's saying when like a player is in a better form.
Yeah, he has to play.
You know.
He has to play.
But Mbogazi is better than Kekana at the moment, and at the career. Obviously, when you look at the age, the potential, Mbogazi outpicking Mbogazi over Kekana.
No, but Ukekana has the pace. He has everything.
He doesn't have pace. Bro.
No, but he's average.
Yeah.
He's average. He's not a slow defender like Umatoho or something like that.
Yeah.
He's average pace. He's nice. He's Mbogazi.
Yeah.
Better. Way better. Ukekana. Way better. And it's a better. The only thing Umbogazi or Ukekana ngayo is strength. And of course, it's Mbogazi's best quality aside.
Yeah.
He knows how to use his strength. He knows.
Ukekane.
Ukekana.
But Kekana, of course.
Ukekana.
I was thinking.
That's what I'm saying. This guy is just because of the rough patch Ukekana is going in right now.
Kekana,
Bamjigela.
Yeah.
Ukekana because of the
Yeah.
perfect. AFCON Ukekana nomvala. Ukekana nomvala. Never.
Umvala.
Umvala is injuries and all those things. So it's try. But
fine.
you get what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just that Ukekana is going through a rough patch right now.
Yeah, I get that.
And Mbogazi is rising. So of course, nobody's gonna argue Mbogazi is the first choice option.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't mind having Ukekana as a backup for Musbis.
Oh, so you're now running away from Mbogazi.
Yeah, actually.
No.
I know, I get that.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
I
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
Maybe some for Stella before no reason.
Yeah.
No,
I
it
get
doesn't
that.
make sense.
Yeah, I get
You get
I
it?
get it.
So-
And also for the experience that Kekana
Yes.
he's played CAF, he's played AFCON, he's been there. Like I get that. I absolutely get it.
Because must ring var.
Kekana, yeah, Asibisi.
Ukekane mawumbhekile it's like usekaphuma kwi-prime yakhe.
Ichayile Kekana.
I don't believe so. Again, it's a rough patch.
Bafethu,
It's a rough
you said
patch.
The same thing ngoLevaldo Kotse. I know it's just a mere injury. It's gonna come back. Now, mind you are still waiting for a
No,
comeback.
but injury and form is two different things.
My friend,
Mara-
you can lose if form and never
No.
recover.
Mara-
Tembazon also lost his form. There was a time Tembazon. No, he's back now. When he injured, there was a time Tembazon found out when he lost his form. Angening his nicks.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, I regain a foot to that form. Same thing can happen to Ukekana.
Nothing, my friend. With our
Same
defenders,
thing.
when you lose that thing, you
Yeah.
never recover. Because there's always someone great.
not
Because for uke kanokuthi abuye back,
Yeah.
that means uMbokazi kumele lose iform yakhe.
no, not Umbokazi.
Ungeza.
But remember, Ungeza naye wasn't playing for the past. And it's him like Hadliwa.
What do you mean? What do you mean he wasn't playing for the past what?
Yeah, was he playing Ungeza
Where?
for the past few games?
For
Bafana, yeah,
Yeah.
bedlala undamane mus.
Yeah, not the recent game. Not the
Yeah,
recent games.
I'm talking about the recent game.
No, recent
But,
game
like-
because the one reason why bengambizanga.
Yeah, but he
About-
wasn't playing. angithi.
No, but
Just because they got explore this guy.
no, uThakamizanga because katafuna ukubona ama option amanye.
They got explore.
Aye.
Why
That
ngambizanga?
was a lie, futhi.
Ungathi that was a lie.
That was a lie. Look, Explorer.
No, angasho. He says so.
Adala ngathi ukuphusa. I was saying mind game.
Ungathi washaya nge-mind game.
Yeah.
Because umuntu uKekana is now a useless man.
Akamiza kukano kakhona. Out, ne?
Oh.
Kamizanga.
Akambizanga, ne? Who are center backs for AFCON? Undamane, Sibisi, Mbokazi, Ungezana nobani? Or these are the four?
Of course.
Yeah.
Kapini. Yeah, Kapini.
Okabin left back.
Kabi.
But he can also
Umtao.
play center back.
He left back. No, I know.
No, angisho.
I'm saying.
Mama lesifakela bathi defenders.
Yeah, no, but nyasho.
Yeah.
Our center backs, Undamane, Mbokazi, Sibisi,
Yeah, Ungezana.
Ungezana.
Yeah.
Aye. Lento le batho bana matuludi, matubidi.
I see your pet.
Angazi.
Veludlala ba.
Umudiba bambizanga.
Ubamizile.
I-right back yesithuku bani?
Favorite.
Second choice option you right back umndawo kuphela bese the rest bazokuncane.
Yeah.
You think so?
I'm thinking so.
Yeah.
Because unyiko mobi ngathi for once. Hayi.
Usilokhu ibhajwe into zakhe.
But
Lezamba.
no, but back to Umbokazi Bafit. Okay, sharp. Okay, back to Bruce versus Umbokazi. It's an unnecessary drama. Keep it behind closed doors. Especially since South AFCON.
Yeah.
Mind you are having this conversation. Imagine the negativity that's gonna come from this. People who have been waiting for Umbokazi to make a mistake, they have finally found a mistake. You understand what I mean? They've been waiting.
But that mistake cannot be a weapon to
My
put
friend,
him down.
it can.
No.
It can. Just like uSipho Mbule, it was a weapon. Lento yakhe nje ukuthi wisdom.
It
was a weapon.
That one, it was self-sabotage. He has seen a lot of players.
Umbappe,
We have
Umbappe,
seen.
Umbokazi naye.
Batho bani lo olwa ne-Chiefs.
When?
Othi Chiefs
Uzuma.
bayibona uphuma amazinyo.
Ubani?
uJunior Khaya.
Yeah. Mhm.
Naye i-career yakhe yaqedwa
Mara nokuba late nami. Okay, Umbokazi ngicabanga ukuthi wayebeka late.
I think ile ngishilo. I think.
The part.
Yeah.
He missed the flight.
Yeah.
Why?
he missed
Bekayenzani?
it. Yeah, but obvious.
He missed the flight.
So it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
I-Uber ifike late. Mina I can vouch for it. I-Uber ifike late. In which there's nothing you can do. Ma umuntu engathi 7 minutes away. There's nothing you can do. You wait. Wamela, wafika, wabanjwa i-traffic. And uyabheka uyabona isis. Lana ke manje. And you cannot call upilot to oh,
Yeah.
I'm coming. No.
Mina
Bavange now.
Usho
Shaya i-traffic. Wafike o-R Tambo sekalate.
No, usho ukuthi bayafuna ukushisa i-agent kaMbokazi. Bayafuna ukuyishisa nje agent. Was looking for a way to ban that agent.
Yeah.
And Umbokazi being late was the perfect excuse to create war against that agent because that was an unnecessary move.
But me, I found it. Obviously, when I saw what he said, I was shocked. But I found it reasonable.
I mean, what I don't get is why couldn't he wait?
Wait for what?
For AFCON at least.
Then
AFCON at least. A better offer will come.
Oh, you're saying Bogas?
Mbokazi, why couldn't Mbokazi wait? That's what thing, sure.
Yeah,
Wait! So,
there's
AFCON
an
is
opportunity, and you don't know the numbers. But the numbers.
Angad.
Hey, when they show you the contract, then you're like, hey.
And this is what people said. It was a money move. He said the agent was looking at their pockets and all those things.
Yeah, but I hear you.
No,
but
for him, Umbokazi is not.
yeah, well, like
In terms of financially, so it is growing.
yeah.
Financially, so it is
No,
growing.
besides financial.
Even
Eh,
yeah, boy, even
Export.
boy.
Export.
But I believe EPSL is enough exposure
friend.
as is.
Okay.
Think
Majority
about it.
of ama-players wemzansi abanye sebebambele kwe-World Cup ukuthi bayebona uMessi. Yena uzoba bafuzuka naye.
But do you think that does that really count for him to coach MLS just because ngobona uMessi?
My friend,
Yeah,
that guy,
come
one
on.
game,
The
one
play-
game,
the players-
one game, anganikeza uMessi a tough time. I-recognition azoyithola will be out of this world.
I mean, we're like,
I am literally telling you.
the thing is, we don't know how this move will pan out. And-
Umbogazi is a South African
Only-
Ramos.
Only time will tell which if this was the right move.
Yeah,
or
no,
not.
but I'm saying we've seen it before, Omai Lula, Tlongwane, and all those things.
But what
No.
if this time it changes around?
Yeah, but I'm saying
Doesn't-
we are working based on what we know, right?
Yeah.
But then Campbell on the other hand, you can say, oh, okay. Smith, you can say, okay, this is playing Lapagu or
Second
championship,
team. Yeah.
But you can say this boy has hope. If he can go to AFCON, chances are Chelsea might get the boy. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Same with Campbell. Once he gets his breakthrough, chances are he might.
Yeah.
MLS,
My friend,
you didn't get relegated.
Ella, mamela this one. Yabona labantu ba mention it.
Yeah.
They were all forward. And for a forward to get the recognition, Melu's in it.
It's a type of now.
It has nothing to do with the MLS. Ukuthi uMayilulo wafika la wahluleka ukudinate. It has nothing to do with the league.
yeah.
It has nothing to do with the player itself failing ukuzifaka in the right position. Because you cannot tell me ukuthi uMayilulo failed ukudinate la.
Why you doing it?
Once in a millennium.
No,
but
man, you're
Ulochi,
not
it took him one game ukuthi uPep abe ne-stress that hey, that thing is dangerous. So cabanga ukuthi umbokazi yena angafika shaya ispan sakhe.
No, man, Smuda. But then, as what you're saying, Messi. There's a South African player that's playing in the MLS that did the same nature to him, but that guy Messi king.
Yeah.
But Nix,
Oh, but
this is the South African guy that plays with MLS.
Yeah.
Why?
I forgot that guy's name.
wadlala yi. Wadlala yi.
I don't know.
Yeah. I don't think.
But it was a guy
isuke ibe la.
Because the reason why I saw that picture was Mzan. So you know the algorithm and all those things.
Yeah.
It shows the
Yeah, isuke ibe la.
But
I-issue iqala ki.
so when I say was is gonna go if like angafika Makumezi or come this time to get recognition because we saw PSL in a way.
No, not to suka ku PSL. Okay. Ama-Pirates fans
Mm-hmm.
sesiyombheka just because intwana ye-Pirates,
Yeah.
yabo.
But where is the
Now
exposure?
as ifan le-course uzombheka expecting i-failure. That means more numbers and more eyes are focused on ubani umbokazi. Unlike jiki sesizwa bethi no, there's a South African born player that is scoring goals, and I'm like, who are
But
you?
also, Swida, the exposure now comes from us. It is impega.
Not
You know, so it doesn't make a difference because even if he was playing in the SA,
My friend.
it is so bad.
Wait, my man,
So-
my man. Lorenzo. We
Yeah.
will be talking more about that guy. Lorenzo got invited to go to a game Arsenal.
okay. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Currently, Lorenz is still speaking about him.
Yeah, but
Still
he's
speaking about
yet his games in which no one actually dedicates this time with a begging Zaz.
Same as MLS.
That is a lie.
Same as
Here
MLS.
you are speaking a lie.
MLS.
You are speaking a lie.
If I can ask
Yeah,
you,
My
but
friend,
like,
you are speaking
Players
a
do, I mean,
lie.
teams do look at MLS. Man.
teams look at everywhere, my friend. Everywhere.
Exactly. They look at
Everywhere.
And
Everywhere.
if Mbogazi plays well there, he can get his exposure. He can
Why?
get his
Oh,
move.
Umuntu wasuka David
Please,
Beckham left Madrid to MLS.
No. That was very
What?
obvious. Speaking of Victoria, wava, that chick, wava.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to show you would see MLS is more close to those European clubs.
No,
than
it's
Imzaz.
No.
On a serious
No.
On
You
a
are
Tina, we
you are
did
mis-
it occasions.
No. You are-
What is pop it up like Club World Cup,
we are misunderstanding this.
national team what what.
MLS is my friend. It's all about money. Everything that connects the MLS to Europeans, like European clubs, It's money.
It's like it's Saudi.
It's money. For example, there's no player among Jochuna who start if you scout player who Saudi. Maybe we say Europe. Nix.
But with the MLS, it can happen.
Nix.
It can.
Guys, let's
Yes.
wrap it up.
Yes. You guys are just like undermining the MLS and its power.
That league is
Yeah.
ass.
Yeah,
That league
yes.
ass.
But it's close
It
to
is
Europe. That
The only reason, again, the only reason why people know about that league, Honestly
no,
speaking,
that is a lie.
honestly speaking,
No, that is a lie.
For males, we're not paying attention to MLS.
we didn't even know.
Ah,
We,
cool.
we only saw it go FIFA on the rest of the world today. Any Galaxy, come on, guys.
Ah.
Yeah, but hey, guys, this
Yes, wait. Ibrahimovic,
Yes.
Rooney.
yeah.
Ah,
So does that make the Qatar league big as well?
Okay,
Because
okay.
those stars also played in Qatar.
Okay, before Abo Rooney and what.
Yeah.
Tell me one big player Sugada. Yeah, Saudi.
Yasugava.
Suga.
No,
one
remember,
of those
no,
leagues.
it's Saudi. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
start of old was the Qatar.
Exactly.
Abu Falcao.
But it was China.
Yeah, China and Qatar.
China was-
In
Abu
MLS,
Falcao-
it was
Hulk.
MLS.
No.
MLS has been there from.
I understand
Wild
this,
breed.
brother. It's been there, I know exposure.
China Expo.
But they go there for the
but,
money.
Yeah, Messi's move actually made them. Yeah,
Exactly what I'm saying.
It was
It just
actually-
created the competition.
It was crazy. That move
created
actually
competition.
Same as you saw.
opened doors for MLS.
Inside we have talent. There's no talent needs.
It created the competition.
But
I see value. Yeah.
okay, guys.
Mina I have faith in Bogas. Bogas uzodlala.
We have more than elaborated on this topic. But either way, please tell us what you think, though, with Umbo's thing, because it doesn't even make sense why he went to MLS. We have just waited.
For what?
Why is Hugo Bruce taking Umbogas over? Just being late? Is there something more? We don't know. So
Bogas was supposed to wait for what?
share your conspiracy theories with
Wow.
us. We want to know what you think, because it doesn't make sense why Hugo Bruce would be mad over being late just once. Share with
I mean,
us.
it does. Guys, obviously, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button just right here. Subscribe, share, like, comment. We out. See you in the next episode. Cheers, guys.